So this car is a 2021 RX 350, obviously Lexus. And this car cost exactly the same amount to the dollar of the Tesla Model Y with full self-driving.
Well,
so
here I am. I got my Tesla, and I absolutely love it. It is amazing. We just picked it up in Princeton, and we had to drive it about 20 miles to calibrate the cameras to operate the full self-driving and the summons, and I've already done it all. So I've summoned it after a lunch at the parking lot, and the full self-driving is amazing. The car is really solid, very responsive. It's very sporty, much more sportier than I thought it was.
I can't even drive it. I don't even drive it. Can you imagine? My two boys and my wife are constantly using this car. This car's got like... So this is why you go with an electric car and not with a gas-powered car. Because if you do, you're going to be stuck in the service department. And with all my electric vehicles, I never come to a service department. My only gas vehicle, here I am at a Lexus dealer.